Hey guys, today I'm putting the snowblower on the John Deere. I'm going to do all the maintenance, the greasing, all that good stuff. Thought I'd make a quick video here. Going to check the tire pressure also. You guys know that I have Milwaukee stuff. That's what I prefer. That's what I'm married to. That's what I have all my batteries for. I don't have cheaper Menard stuff or anything like that. So the Milwaukee compressor, I got this and purchased it, and it uses the M18, so you're going to put the battery in there, and it's a great little compressor. So if you look up here right now, Lock and Lube, they got some sales going on their stuff, and what I like about this is right now they've got these inflators, the locking air chucks, and those locking air chucks, when you buy this and either one of these with the open, they work on this Milwaukee setup. I've got the 90 because I have custom bikes too, and then I got the straight one. So I got all three of them, and right now looks like they're $89.97, but like I said, right now they've got some deals going on. And then they also have the Milwaukee itself. So if you were going to get the whole kit with the compressor like I got, and then one of the fittings with the adapter, it'd probably be a pretty good deal because it's got free shipping and then you get so much off. But anyway, I got the battery in here. It's ready to rock. It's full. And what's nice about this, I don't know about the DeWalt. I don't use DeWalt. It's got memory functions. So it'll have memory 1, 2, 3, 4. And right now I've got it set for just memory. I'm going to do memory 1 with the straight air chuck. I'm going to come over. And you can use an air compressor with your gauge. I kind of like this because I can set up the memory functions. I can also put it for like my wife's car, my car. So you got 4 of them to choose from. Right now it's at 20 PSI. You're just going to undo the cap, and it's the same as the Lock and Lube grease fitting. You open it, you're going to put it right on the tire valve and shut it. And you can see right now, this one's at 20, so that one's good. We'll go to the back one. It's really fast too. So you put this one on, you can see it's at 14.5. So I'm just going to hit this. It's already on 20 for memory. What's nice is you can just let this run. It's going to go up to 20. It's going to go a little over, but it's going to calibrate itself and come down to the PSI that you are trying to hit for, and then it'll just stop. And it's done. It's that quick. So right now it's at 20. Put the cap on there. It's kind of cool. It checks itself. I checked the other two quick. Same kind of fitting as the grease gun. Really cool. Pop that on. It's at 19, so you're just going to put it up to 20. That's it. This one's good. This is kind of nice if you're out in the field. If your hose doesn't reach the tractor and you're got some air and you don't want to limp it along, or you could fill up a air container, but this works pretty sweet. And this one's at 22. And if you hit it and it's at 20, it won't even go. So it's good. All 4 tires done that quick. One was a little low, and I purposely did that so you guys could see it. So that's the Milwaukee. And like I said, your kids could use this. The wife could use this. It's got presets. I've got one set for 40. That's for 2 of the cars I have out there. So she knows she can hook this up, hit the button. If it's low, it takes care of itself. When it's done going, you're good to go.